Hello, Jessie. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Good
Cha.
evening. Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Jessie?
Happy.
I'm happy, very good. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes, yes.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat egg and fish.
Oh, egg and fish? No rice? No rice?
Yes, have right.
You also have rice. So egg, fish, and rice.
Yes. What did
Oh,
you eat today?
today I eat rice and sausages. Do you know sausages?
No.
I know really. It's like do you know hot dog?
So,
Hot dog. Hot
no, I
dog.
don't.
Really? You also don't know hot dog? This one. Let me show. Hot dog. This one. This one is the hot dog. You don't know this? Really?
I don't. Yeah, I
Ah,
don't.
this one? You don't know?
know. Yes,
Oh,
I don't know.
oh really? Because hot dogs and sausages, they look alike like this. This one is a sausages.
Oh, today you eat sausages?
Yes.
Oh,
It's
yummy, yummy.
it's yummy yummy because it is processed meat. Yeah, it's like a hot dog, so they look alike with each
Wow.
other. So that's my dinner for today. So now, okay, so are you ready to continue our story for today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So before we proceed to our or to continue our activity last time, so let's first listen again to our story so that we can be able to remember what is
My.
our
Oh
story.
no.
Oh
It's
no.
my turn. No, it's my turn.
Oops, this one first. Oops.
Oh,
Thank
Charlie,
you.
it's your turn. Thank you. Good job, Charlie.
Uh,
It's sweet.
okay, very good. So that's it for our story. And can you also read the value that we will learn from this story?
Hmm? Be,
Be
be,
fair.
be fair.
Okay, what do we mean by being fair? If you still remember, Jessie,
You
what
share. You
you
share.
share? Very good.
Uh,
You share
uh,
your things with others. That's so nice that you still
and other friend.
remember. Yes. You don't share? You share. Okay, that's very nice that you share your things to other people because that is being fair and that is being kind. Okay, so now since we've already answered this one, let's just again listen to it and let's see if you still remember. So we will listen and number.
1, 2.
What is our number one?
Number 1 is picture 2. Number 1 is picture 2. Number 2 is picture 1.
Okay, very good. So now let's listen to our number three because that is what we have missed last time. So let's listen. What is our number three? Okay, wait. Let me just open the. Where?
Oops. 2, Oops.
And number three.
3,
Thank you.
3,
Thank you.
Okay, for
Number 3 is
number
picture 4.
picture four. Very good. Because what happened in this picture, Jessie? What happened?
Number 3 is picture 4. What you write 4?
Huh? Is it number three? Are you sure? Number
Hey.
3 or number 4?
But I hear a picture 4.
Picture 4? Okay, let's check. So this one, number 3. This one is number 3. Okay, so let's listen to number 4.
Why I hear thank you?
Thank you. Yeah, you hear thank you. So this is number 3.
4,
Number 4.
Julie, it's your turn.
Okay, what did you hear for number 4?
Julie, it's your turn.
Is it picture number 4?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's check. Let's check if all of your answers are correct. So let's check. Oh no. So the answer in our picture number 3, that one is the picture number 4, and the and number 3 is this one, because as we can see here, so they gave the ball to Julie, and Julie said thank you, and this one, Julie's friend said that, Julie, it's your turn. So that is after they gave the ball. Yeah. Okay. 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 So nice try. Still nice try. So now let's read again. Let's read our number 1 to 4 or stories.
No, it's my turn. It's my turn. Oops. Thank you. Charlie, it's your turn. Hey,
Uh.
hey, hey, hey.
Okay, very good. So that's it for our story about my turn. So remember, Jessie, in this story, remember to always be kind or always share your things. Because when you are kind to other people will also be kind to you. Okay? That is being fair. Okay. So now let's listen to a song that we have here about my turn. A song. Okay, let's listen.
Page 29. C. Sing. My turn.
My turn.
Hey, hey, let's play together.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Hey, hey, let's play together.
Okay, it's your turn.
It's your turn.
Hey, hey, let's play together.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
Hey, hey, let's play together.
Okay, it's my turn.
Oh, it's my turn. Oh.
Hey, hey, let's play together. It's my turn. It's my turn. Hey, hey, let's play together. Okay, it's your turn. Hey, hey, let's play together. It's your turn. It's your turn. Hey, hey, let's play together. Okay, it's my turn.
Okay. So now, Jessie, what did you notice or what did you listen to about the song? What are they saying?
My turn. Hey,
It's
hey, let's play
play
together.
together. It's my turn.
It's my turn. Hey, hey, let's
Let's play together. Okay.
Okay, it's your
It's your turn. Okay, so as we can see here in the song, so the children, they are playing together. And it's and they are saying it's my turn, and after that, so the other child said that it's your turn. That means that they are being fair to each other. They give chances for the other child to also play. So that is being fair. So we say this, it's my turn. If
My
it's
is my turn.
yes, so we
Where
will
your
say
puppy? Where your puppy? Where your
what?
puppy? Where
Puppy?
your dog? You have
Where
a dog?
it's here. Do you want to see?
Yes.
Okay, let me just pick her. Wait.
No.
This is a different dog. She's a girl.
I
Bec-
cannot see your picture.
yeah, wait. She's a girl.
Ah.
See?
Oh, but where's the boy?
The boy is downstairs.
Hmm. She
She's
is
in my
a
room now.
she is a baby, or she is a
She's two
she
years old.
2 year,
Yes,
and
2 years old.
the dog, and and he dog, or is he he
She.
he
She's a girl.
what a boy dog? What
And
is dog?
the boy dog is only 1 year old. Yeah, this one is older. She's not
Two.
moving.
It's
Her
sister
name
and baby.
her name
Yes,
is Misu. Misu.
Misu. And the
Yeah,
boy name Misu
Timor.
and Timor. Misu
Yeah,
and
the boy dog is name is Timor. She's sleeping.
what is black? Hmm.
It's black. Yeah, because it was given by my friend. Her color is black. How about you? Do you have a dog in your grandma's house?
Yes,
Oh, really?
but
Is it a
it's outside.
oh, it's outside. Is it a girl or is it a boy?
A boy.
Oh, it's a boy. What is the name of your dog?
It's B. B.
B? B.
B.
Okay.
B. B. B and B and E. B and
B-E.
I. B and I.
B-I.
Yes. B.
Her name is B. Oh,
Is
he's a girl,
is
right?
here. He.
He's a boy.
Yeah.
His name is B.
Yes.
Oh, do you like
Uh,
dogs?
he 6 year. Look like
Oh,
me.
oh, really? 6 years old. Wow, that's
Yes.
so
Look like
old.
me.
He look like me. Is he a big dog? A big dog? Is he a big dog or
Yeah.
small dog? Oh, a big.
But 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 he like me.
He's like
Yes.
you
Yes.
because he's also 6 years old.
Mm-hmm. Look,
Oh,
it's friends. It's my friend.
oh, it's your friend. Do you like do you like your dog or do you like dogs? What do you like the most? Do you like dogs or cats?
I like I think
Okay,
uh,
okay.
uh I like
Cats or dogs?
the rabbit.
Rabbit?
Yes.
Oh, you like rabbit the most.
Yes.
Oh, do you have a rabbit?
No.
No, but you want to have a rabbit?
Yes.
Oh, really? Yeah. Our rabbits are so cute because they are tiny, small animals. They just
Mhm.
hop, hop, hop. I want to have a rabbit, but my dogs might fight if I have a rabbit. Uh,
think so. I think so. I think a
Yeah.
boy dog is very small like this.
A boy dog,
Just small like this.
very small.
Just small like this.
Mm. Mm, so small. That's so small. It's like an. Do you know what ant is? Ant.
Yes.
Ant. It's like an ant. It's very very small. Do you
I
know?
think
Do you know corgi? Corgi.
I don't know.
It's a kind or it's a breed of dog. It's very small. Look,
I don't know.
it's so cute. It's like this. It's a very, very small dog. Yeah, it's so cute. It's look at
Oh, oh, my dog is look like.
Oh, really? Like this? Oh,
Yes. Oh, my dog is.
oh. Your dog might be a corgi. Oh,
Yes, yes.
it's so cute. It's very small. My dog is like this, Shih Tzu. Yeah, Shih Tzu.
Um,
Yeah, like this. This is what my dog looks like. And my boy dog, if you remember, he looks like this. Yeah. Do you still remember
his color.
color of my dog?
Yeah.
Like this, the boy dog. He looks like this. Okay. Okay, so now,
A dog like this.
huh?
A
The
dog
dog,
like this.
it has a teeth. Okay, so now let's go back to our lesson here. So we have here a dialogue.
Thank
It's your
you.
it's your turn. Thank you. So let's
Easy, lemon crazy.
easy lemon crazy. Okay, very good. So it's your turn. Thank you. So let's discuss. When do we say, oh, let me just go back.
It's your turn.
Yes. It's your turn. So let's focus on this word. So we say this when we want to give someone else a chance. For example,
A chalk.
um,
A chalk. A chalk.
yes, yes, a chalk. Yes. So for example, in this picture,
A
so
green balls. A
there are
green
a green board. Again, let's say board.
board.
Okay. So in this picture there are two children. One is a boy, one is a girl. And the boy is giving the chalk to the girl. And when we are giving something to someone, we will say it's your turn. So it
It's your
means
turn.
yes, it means that we are letting other people to play or to do something. So like this one, the boy wants to give the chalk to the girl because
Oh,
he wants for the girl to also draw on the green board or on the blackboard. Okay, so that is what we will say. For example, you want to share. So you are playing your toy at school and your friend was looking at
right.
you. Yes, your friend is looking at you and
It's your turn. Your turn.
yes,
Your
so you will say it's your turn if your friend wants to
turn.
also play your toy.
Your chalk
Okay?
is your
And
chalk. Is
okay,
chalk.
it's your turn. And your friend will say thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. So,
Thank you. Q, Q, Q,
yes.
Q.
Don't forget when someone gives you something, you always say thank you. Okay? So
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank
So Jessie, what do we say? What do we say to a person if they gave us something?
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. What do we say to other people if we want to give them chance to play, or if we want to share? What do we say? If we want to share our things.
Your turn.
Okay, very good. It's your turn. So
Uh,
now let's have another scenarios here. So let's take a look at the picture. Jessie, this one, number 2. So what are the children doing?
it's your turn. Thank you. It's your turn. Thank you.
Okay, very good. But first, what are the children doing in picture number 2?
Play a game.
Playing a game or a dice game, because as we can see here, there is a dice. So meaning they are playing a dice game.
Nice game.
Okay, and very good. So this girl, she is sharing the dice to this girl because this is her turn. So it's your turn. Very good. And the children will say, or the child will say, thank you. Very good. How about in the third picture? What are the children doing?
The children is saying
Children are playing. Playing what?
I don't know.
I don't know. Do you know video games? Video games.
Yes, video game.
Yes, okay.
Play
So,
it already. It's so funny. And play is my cool. But I should win now.
oh really? How about,
Really?
do you play Roblox? Do you play Roblox? Roblox. Roblox, like this.
I can see a picture. I don't know. It's Roblox.
Oh, really? Oh, it's okay. So you don't need to play that. But it's a game, popular game.
Huh? My plane in the house play.
Oh, that's so
Then
good. That's so good that you are not playing Roblox because your eyes might get blurry because this is a game through the phone. So it's nice to hear that you do not
you
play. So this is a video
you
game.
play Roblox.
Yes, I play.
Roblox.
Yes. Okay, so
Your
this,
turn. It's your turn. Thank you.
okay, very good. It's your turn. Thank you. So that's it. So they are playing video game, and this one, who says it's your turn? Is is it the boy? Is it the boy in yellow shirt or in green shirt?
Look like it's
Who
shirt.
says your turn?
I think green shirt.
Yes, very good. It's the green shirt. So, oh, are you sure?
Team.
It's quite
I don't
confusing.
know.
It's quite confusing, but let's look at this car. So this car is on the right part. So probably the green shirt or the boy in green shirt is the one who says, it's your turn.
It's your turn. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. So regardless of who says it, so it's important to be fair, especially to other people, especially our friends. So we will say it's your turn for us to give them chance to play. And don't forget, when someone gives you something, you will say thank you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Wow. Okay, so let's play. Let's play a quick game about
See you later.
see you later.
Later.
Yeah.
Big bar.
Do you know this one, Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig.
Yes. Yes, I have one. I have two stories.
Really?
Yes. What a word is Vietnamese? A word?
Vietnamese?
Yes, a
Hmm?
word. Đỏ bóng. Đỏ bóng.
Tao bong?
Yes.
It's Peppa Pig.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Really?
Okay. Okay, so let's play a quick game about our previous lesson. Okay,
Yeah.
let's check if you still remember. So can you choose one number, a number?
26. Six. Yes.
26?
No.
6? We don't have
No. No.
what number.
Hmm. City.
Oh,
City.
very good. 16. Again, let's say 16.
15.
Okay.
Balls. 4 balls.
4 balls. Very good. Next,
Number 4.
number 4.
Ah.
Puzzle or puzzles?
Brothers.
Okay, very good. Because how many? How many do we have here?
Three.
Three. Three. What do we call it? 3
Three.
puzzles.
Puzzles.
Okay, very good. Next,
1.
1.
3 cars.
3 cars. How many cars? This is the question. So again, how many cars?
3 cars.
Okay, next.
10.
Number 10. What number is this?
It's 11.
11. Very good. Next.
14.
14 or 13?
14.
14. Okay. What is our question here?
How many dogs? One dog.
Very good. Next.
15.
15. Okay. What's
One
this?
ball.
Very good. 1 ball. Next.
7.
7. What number?
10.
10. Very good. Next.
6.
Okay. How old are you based on the candle?
5.
What is our sentence structure? I'm
5.
again. How old are you?
5.
Okay, very good. Next.
8.
8.
8. Yes.
How many cars?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars.
Very good. 5 cars. Next.
9.
9. Marble or marbles?
Marbles.
Okay.
Because many.
Many. Very good. Yes, we have many.
5.
Next. 5. What's
One
this?
dog.
Very good. 1 doll or dog. Next.
13.
13. How many dolls?
6 dogs.
6 dolls. Very good. So fast, huh? Next.
11.
How many cars? Oh, so easy.
4 cars.
Very good. Next, we only have 3.
20.
20.
No. 12. 12.
12. Oh, what number is this? Oh, very easy.
12.
And next number?
2.
Okay, what is this?
Puzzle.
Okay, very good. Without S. And last one. Oh, what is this?
It's fish.
It's a card.
I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. Nice try. Wow, very good. Wow, I can see that you still remember the lessons that we have last time. So very good. So good job for today. And goodbye, Jessie. See you again
Goodbye.
next Friday.
See you later. See you.
See
Good
you.
night, teacher. Good night, teacher.